What's going on, guys, and welcome back. Forget about your grass because today I'm showing you how to bleed your brakes the easy way. Before you go buying brake fluid, check your owner's manual and buy the right stuff. In my case, it's .3. Remember, you can mix and match .3, 4, and 5.1. Do not mix .5 as it can damage your brake system. It's made specifically for race cars, and if you're still confused, here's a chart. The tools that I will be using here are rubber chucks to hold the car in place, breaker bar, some sockets, gloves, and what I have here is a pneumatic brake bleeder. It's supposed to be easy to use. I purchased this from Harbor Freight for around $28, so we'll see how well this works. So before we get started, there is a sequence in which you bleed your brakes, but first go ahead and open your hood. So now we're going to go ahead and look for our master cylinder, and in my case it's on the right hand side right behind the driver. And that is what a master cylinder looks like, with a reservoir on the top of it. The purpose of the master cylinder is to convert the pressure from the brake pedal to hydraulic pressure by feeding brake fluid to each caliper, resulting in slowing down of your vehicle. So in my case, since this is on the driver's side, I will bleed the passenger rear, the driver rear, the passenger, and then finally the driver's side. Since we are working on the rear end of the car first, get those chucks out and place them on the front tires. So I went ahead and I opened this up. I am actually really impressed with the quality of this tool. It is solid and sold for a great price. Remember, this is a pneumatic tool, meaning you need an air compressor for this to work. If you don't have one, I recommend a hand vacuum pump. And don't forget to purchase a male adapter. Before we start playing with the brake fluid, make sure you get yourself some gloves. Remember, brake fluid is super corrosive. It will damage your paint, so keep that in mind. Go ahead and remove that cap. And again, be very careful with brake fluid. Don't get it on your paint. Not sure how well you can see, but it is much darker here than it is in the bottle. This has about 6 years of use, 97,000 miles. Find an adapter with a tight seal. I actually took out this cap. I inserted this all the way down. So now we are almost ready to go. Guys, this is the braking system. What we are looking for here is this little thing here. And usually they have a cover, which I'll go ahead and pop out. It looks like that. Go ahead and apply some pressure, so I'll go ahead and show you what to do first. We are ready to go ahead and open this up. Alright, so my recommendation to you is when opening up your bleeder nipple is to apply some vacuum before you open it. This ensures you don't get any air in your brake lines. Back and you keep an eye on this, making sure that this is filling. You don't want to get air in here, otherwise you might be in trouble. This fluid looks exactly the same as the fresh, clean fluid. And I want to show you what the dirty fluid looks like. As you're doing this to your vehicle, don't forget to refill the auto refill bottle. The front set's actually up here. I was not expecting that, but not a big deal. So the main difference between the front bleeder nipples and the back is 1. Location, and 2. The back is smaller. If you are getting air pockets as you are vacuuming the hydraulic fluid, you might want to get some Sil-Glyde lubricant and apply a small amount around the bleeder nipple. This will ensure that you have a tighter seal, reducing those air pockets being pulled from around the bleeder nipple. As I am vacuuming the front brakes, you can see a solid yellow fluid without any air pockets, and this is what the back looked like. Finally, go ahead and keep on pumping your brake pedal until you have a nice firm pedal. Alright guys, so we are finally done. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did and found this video informative, don't forget to like and share this video. And if you want to stay up to date with my latest projects, hit the subscribe button. And remember, save money and do it yourself.